Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we will discuss how to delete Gmail account. If you don't want to use, then you can delete easily. So for this, let me open gmail.com. I will navigate to the gmail.com website, and this type of interface we can see here. So let me click here gmail.com again. Okay, so first of all I will give my Gmail account, then click on the next, then I will enter password here, then I will click on the next button. We will wait for some time. After that we will navigate to the mailbox. Here we can see settings, we can see here Google Apps, then we will click over here, then we will see, then we will account. After that we will click here, then we will navigate to the Google account page, then we will see this type of interface, and now this option will be available, data and privacy. Just click over here, then you will see this data and privacy page, then click here, just scroll down, then you will see delete Google account option. In more option, delete your account, so you can delete over here. Just click here, uh, yes, I acknowledge that I am still, this type of message will be appear in front of you, then just click on this check mark. After this, click over here and click on this checkbox. After that, click delete account. Wait, your Google account and its data has been deleted, so your account has been deleted. Thank you guys for watching these videos. We will discuss another things related to the settings in another videos. Thanks all.